Right now, the energy sentiment score is at plus 0.00, which might sound neutral, but don't let that fool you. With a momentum score of plus 0.40 and 16 semantic clusters, we're seeing a sharp shift from the historical norm. This level of momentum typically indicates an underlying change in sentiment, despite the flat score. What this means for you is that our API returns rich insights, including sentiment trends and thematic clusters, allowing you to dig deeper into the nuances of energy sentiment. Imagine you're developing a trading algorithm that factors in sentiment shifts. This moment presents a unique opportunity to test your hypothesis about how momentum can precede movement in the energy sector. To explore more, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data together.